Hi everybody, this is Umair from Simple Tutorials, and today we will be discussing about how to fix Supercell ID verification code not received. So before we begin, you can consider donating to our channel using the link in the description. So you can see we are on official Supercell support, and what you need to do basically is checking your spam folder. If you haven't received the verification code, most probably what is going to happen is you're going to be checking your spam folder in your mail and double check that you have no rules set in the place that might make these emails end up in that folder. So searching for your inbox for Supercell ID should help finding the email with the verification code, and once you do find it, eventually you will have your Supercell ID and the verification code that you need. So most of the time it is landing in spam, so make sure to go try to that. I hope this was helpful, or if you find it helpful in any certain way, consider donating using the link in the description of this video. That will be highly appreciated, guys. Stay tuned, stay subscribed, and see you in the next one.